Hi friends, welcome to MA Logics with an amazing mind-twisting math problem. The question is as follow, where we have 3 divisions. 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Can you solve it in your mind? But its answer shouldn't be 1. Okay, let's decode it with its solution. As we know in such math questions, the rule of PEMDAS is to be applied, where operations priority shifts from left to right. So we will also start solving these divisions from left first. Okay, here, 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and this divided by 3 divided by 3. Our next step is as 1 over 3 divided by 3. Here's KFC rule to be applied, where keep the first fraction as it is, change the sign and flip the second fraction. Okay, apply KFC rule in this condition. Keep this 1 over 3 as it is, change this division sign into multiplication, and flip this 3 into 1 over 3. Now upper number multiply with uppers and bottoms times bottom, which gives us, 1 over 9. Done. This is our correct and final answer to the above stated problem. Friends, smash that like button and subscribe for more math magic. Hit the bell to stay updated. See you in next video. Till then, take care.